So I'd highly encourage you guys to join. Look forward to having more discussion with you guys there. Again, especially if you're coming to, sessions like today where I'm going to kind of, almost like teach a class. Or on Sundays, if you come to the Introduction to Statistical Learning book walkthrough. The Discord is a great place to follow up with good guys like Patrick and, ask questions and kind of have the community help themselves. So thanks for posting that link there, Patrick. Shashir says, it's already dark here in Nepal. Good evening. I love the way you explain things. Oh, thank you so much for that. Yeah, I know that this isn't a great time for Asia, but it's the best time slot I could find. I realize that for Asia, it's super late. But Shishir, I am offering some streams that are more convenient for the Asia region. So keep an eye out for those. I ran a test last Thursday and it worked out well. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. Go to my YouTube, subscribe and notify, and it'll tell you when I'm going live. And yeah, I will be trying to be more aware of that and do more Asia-friendly streaming.